In today's video, I'll show you how to create your own server tag on Discord. So, let's get started. First, open Discord and click on your server name at the top. Next, select Server Boost and scroll down until you find the server tag option. Click Boost this server, then press Continue. To unlock the server tag feature, you'll need a total of 3 server boosts. I've already purchased and applied all 3 boosts. After that, go to Server Boosts from the left side menu. Disable the option shown if needed, then scroll down to the Server Tag section and click Enable. Now, configure your server tag by turning the feature on, choosing your preferred badge and color, and then clicking Save Changes at the bottom. Finally, click Adopt Tag on the right side, and your new server tag will be ready to use. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.